everyone, it's June. Oh, sorry for the messy hair. Today I am going to show you my latest gadget that I have that I absolutely love, and it's called an air fryer. I don't know if any of you have heard of the air fryer, but it is all the rage. I see it all over the internet, all over Facebook, all over Instagram. There's recipes and all over YouTube. So I had to go out and get one, especially because I have started, I know, once again, I have started Weight Watchers, and I am doing the Simply Filling program. So as we all know, fried foods are a no-no, and that's not just with Weight Watchers. That's just in general. Fried foods are just no good for you. It's a lot of oil, a lot of fat, a lot of grease, and things that we don't need because it's just making us more unhealthy. So the air fryer, let me show you my air fryer. So this is my air fryer. This is my new buddy, and my new buddy stands on top of my my counter in my kitchen. And so what an air fryer does is it actually fries the food, but with air and heat. So you get that crispy food without it being fried, which I absolutely love, because when I make breaded chicken cutlets, I don't like them baked. I like them fried. So you definitely get that fried look and the fried taste without the oil. So I am going to show you how I make sweet potatoes and my meatballs, which are all free foods on the Simply Filling plan. So just make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot of air frying videos and my progress on Weight Watchers. So yes, I am on the journey of losing weight. I need to lose weight, and I need to do it comfortably, in comfort. I need my comfort foods, and that's what I'm going to show you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and please press the little notification bell, because when I make videos about this, you're going to want to see it. So just stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Okay, so here is my air fryer that I love so much. So what this basically does is cook without oil. So you can see me in here. Hi. So basically you can cook fried chicken in here with no oil. Everything goes in here. You have your timers over here, and air and heat just make it cook and taste and make the food taste like it's fried. So today I am making sweet potato fries. Yeah, I actually bought these in ShopRite, I think, or Stop and Shop. I don't have a French fry cutter, so that's my next gadget that I'm getting. But I'm going to season these little babies up, and we're going to throw them in the air fryer, and I'm going to show you what they look like after they're done. Okay, so I'm going to go season them now. So I have the sweet potatoes on a plate, and I just have a little pan. You can use olive oil, you can use whatever you want. I'm just using a little pan just to get them a little coated, just a little bit. I should have gotten a bowl, but I didn't. Now I'm making these for the week. On Simply Filling Weight Watchers, this is Simply Filling, so I can have this at my leisure. I don't have to count, nothing. So that's why I love Simply Filling. Okay, so now I'm going to take some sea salt. Probably have any left, but we're going to take some sea salt and just put a little on it. Season them up. You could put anything on here. You could put cinnamon. Oh my god, you can do anything. Yeah, next time I'll get a bowl. I didn't know there were so many of them in here. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my air fryer. I'm gonna go throw these in there just like so. There is a max limit, and I think it's like up to here or something, so you could just throw these in and you just close it. Make sure it's closed all the way. It starts off at 360, so I'm going to put it for, well, actually I'm going to keep it for 360, and then I'm going to do 17 minutes. And that's it. And now it's going. So halfway through, I'm going to come back, and I'm just going to shake it up a little bit, just to throw them around a little bit, and they should be done in 17 minutes, maybe even sooner. This is the first time I'm doing sweet potato fries, so just stay with me. Okay, so it's 8 minutes. Let's see how it's going. Shake them up a little bit. I don't know if you can see. They're getting nice and crispy. There we go. I'm gonna go another 8 minutes, actually 9 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so it's done. Oh, these look so good. Sorry, do you see that? They look so good. I'm gonna go check them out right now. Look how delicious. Real sweet potato fries. What? I can't. They taste so delicious. Oh my gosh. Simply filling. Everything's simply filling. I love it. I love my air fryer. Okay, so now to make the meatballs. So I have 93% fat-free chopped meat, chopped beef. I have my breadcrumb. I have an egg. I have Italian seasoning, a little onion powder just to season it up a little bit, and adobo. So I washed my hands thoroughly. I use my hands when I do this. I don't have gloves. I never use gloves. I do this. If you want, use gloves. But I'm only using one egg. Okay. Throw it in there. I'm going to take a handful of my breadcrumb. And just throw it in. I like to eyeball it. Just like that. Okay. Italian seasonings. A little bit. Onion powder. If I can open this, this comes out a lot. A little bit of onion powder, a little bit of adobo because it has other seasonings, plus it has pepper in it. It's just a little bit. Okay, so I am putting the meatballs in. Just dropping them in. Let's count. Let's see. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I am putting this in. Okay. 360. I'm going to keep it at 360, and I'm going to put it in for 14 minutes. Let's see. 14 minutes. We'll come back halfway and see. It might not even take 14 minutes. And there we go. See it back in 7 minutes. Okay, so the meatballs should be done and perfect. Look at this. Look at those meatballs. Oh my god. Let's pick one up. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Alright, I'm going to put it on a plate so you can see it. So I'm going to take this meatball. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look? Oh, it fell. Look at that. Perfectly done. Good. Delish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the recipes that I made with the air fryer. And don't forget to click subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, press like, comment, and don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified on upcoming videos that you don't want to miss. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!